Hi everyone, welcome back to Everyday English Fun. I'm Maya and I'm so excited today.
Hello, hello. I'm Jack. Hi, Maya. Hi, everyone listening.
Oh, hi Jack. You sound calm today. I'm already full of energy, as always.
Yeah, I try to balance your energy with calmness.
Thanks. So, what's today's topic, Jack?
Today, we're talking about daily English sentences, simple phrases you can use every day.
Ooh, I love that. My listeners will love it too. I always forget simple sentences when I'm talking to people.
That's okay, most people do. Today, we'll learn easy sentences and how to use them naturally.
So, what's the first phrase today, Jack?
The first one is, how's it going?
Oh, I know that one. It's like, how are you, right?
Yes, exactly. It's a casual way to ask someone how they are. You can use it with friends, family, even colleagues sometimes.
Okay. So it's not for teachers or the boss.
Usually not in very formal situations, but with friendly people, it's perfect.
Nice. Can you explain the words?
Sure. How is asking about something, like, how are you? It here means the situation or your day. Going means happening or moving. So, how's it going means, how was your day or how are you?
Oh, that's easy. I like that. Let's try pronouncing it together.
Okay, how's it going?
Perfect. Now try faster, like in real life. How's it going?
Nice, that's natural.
Let's see how we use it in a conversation. Yes, give me an example.
Imagine you meet your friend Tom.
Okay.
Hi, Maya, how's it going?
Oh, hi, Tom. It's going well, thanks. And you?
I'm good, just a bit busy with work.
I see. So we don't need to say, I am fine every time. It's going well is nice.
Exactly. And sometimes people just say, good or not bad.
Oh, that's short and easy.
Yes, very natural.
Okay, what's another sentence for daily English?
Let's try, I'm just looking.
What does that mean?
You say it when you're in a shop or online and you don't want help.
Oh, like when I walk in a store and I don't want to talk to anyone.
Exactly. The shop assistant may ask, can I help you? And you can say, I'm just looking, thanks.
Nice, short and polite.
And it's easy to remember because it's just 4 words.
Let's try an example conversation. Okay, I'm in a shop.
Hello, can I help you?
Oh, hi, I'm just looking, thanks.
Okay, take your time.
Oh, that's very natural. I like that.
Yeah, short sentences are often best in daily English.
Can we learn 2 or 3 more sentences?
Sure, another one is, I don't understand.
Oh, yes, I say that a lot in English class.
Exactly. You can use it when someone speaks too fast or the words are new.
Like today when I read an English text and I say, I don't understand this word.
Yes, perfect. And you can also say, can you repeat that?
Oh, that's nice too.
And another useful sentence is, can you help me?
Simple. I can use it anywhere.
Yes, at the shop, at school, even at the airport.
Oh, I need that for traveling.
Let's practice a small conversation using these phrases.
Yes, I love practice.
Hey Maya, how's it going?
Good, thanks. And you?
I'm okay. By the way, do you know where the station is?
I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Sure. Where is the train station?
Oh, can you help me?
Yes, follow me.
Oh, that's perfect. Very natural. Jack, I want to speak English every day, but I forget words.
That's normal, Maya. A good way is to learn short sentences, not just words.
Oh, short sentences are easier to remember.
Yes, and you can use them right away.
Like, how's it going? Or I don't understand.
Exactly. And another tip, listen and repeat.
Oh, yes, I can listen to this podcast and repeat after you.
Perfect. And one more, don't worry about mistakes.
Oh, that's hard for me. I always worry.
I know, but mistakes are okay. Everyone makes them.
Okay, I will try. Let's do a quick recap, Jack.
Sure. Today, we learned some daily English sentences. How's it going? Casual way to ask someone how they are. I'm just looking, polite sentence for shops. I don't understand. Ask when you don't know or miss something. Can you repeat that? Ask someone to say again. Can you help me? Ask for help.
Oh, that's easy to remember. Short sentences.
Yes, short, natural, and useful every day.
I like it. And we also did example conversations.
Right. Conversations make it easier to use the sentences in real life.
Okay, Jack, I have so much energy today.
I can tell.
Thank you, everyone, for listening. Try these sentences. Use them every day.
Yes, remember, practice makes perfect. And don't worry about mistakes.
Nice. Thanks, Jack, and thanks, everyone.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye. Have a great day.